Alright, let's take a look at the unboxing of a Panerai replica. Ordered from Gearbest. This was ordered roughly the 20th of August. It shipped out from Belgium on the 23rd of August and only arrived in South Africa at my local post office a week ago, and that would make it sort of the 8th of October that it actually arrived. So here we go, packaging. All fair and well. I had to pay 28 rands custom duties on it. Euro value was €6.63. Weight coming in at just under, well, 0.13 of a kilogram. Alright, let's get into it quickly. Packaging bubble wrap seems pretty decent. Let's see how this is held up. And then in a sort of purplish blue box, to that one side. Alright, plastic carrier bag here for this. And you see it then with a QR code, multi-A black dial white, made in China. Okay, so no airs and graces, bones about it. Not a very thick box, fairly flexible. Not a lot of packaging and stuffing, just sort of crammed in there. Kimsdun. This was ordered through Gearbest, of course, and they're giving you sort of your generic instructions for probably what is most of their watch selection. Okay, that's that one side. Alright, there we go. Not a great box. Cheapy velveteen padding here. On the strap there you can see that it's going to say Kimsdun with a V. Not too bad. I mean, this is just a PAM replica. Some marks there as the glass is rubbed up against the rest of the packaging in the freighting. That does seem to be polishing up. No serious scratches per se, and yeah, I suppose the chrome work could do with just a little bit of a polish here. Let's get it out and take a look at this. The strap also, just a little bit of browning and wear over there. Not super high-end quality. I mean, for the price, what can you expect? Let me take a look. Here's our clasp lock arrangement for the crown, which we'll pull out, and let's see where are we sitting now. About nay. Okay, let's take a look at the date adjustment here. Let's try and get that half pull out. Okay, that's not quite right. Okay, so not very strong for the date adjustment. A little tough to find that one, if it actually exists at all. You see, now that's adjusting the date, and yes, you can run through them all the way if you want. Yeah, you're probably going to have to adjust the date like that by just giving it a good couple of swings, and this is going to be tiresome. I'll play with that a little more just now, and then we can check. Okay, so we're not going to worry too much about that. Let's just leave it at our time there and lock it. Okay, of course I have super weedy wrists, so we're going to go to quite a bit of overlap there. Not entirely terrible, and from a distance probably relatively eye-catching. Overall impression, really not too bad when you consider that landed this is about 110 Rand plus, let's say, another 30 Rand in terms of clearance and handling. So that's 130 Rand for, well, a watch that is relatively convincing. We're going to see what the durability is like as we wear it for a little while, but yeah, fairly impressive. It's just the lengthy shipping time. So that took about 8 weeks to get, not even to my door, to the local post office. And well, yeah, if you're prepared to wait, then it could be fair. I wouldn't ship super delicate items, but something a little more rugged, fair pot. And at the end of the day, you're not going to be losing too much money should you happen to have a bit of a failure or a bit of a mishap. So maybe order 2 if you're really that conscious or worried about it. Other than that, yeah, it hasn't been terrible, just the lengthy wait.